welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, how's it going? Happy Wednesday. Listen, y'all, thank you. Thank you so much for the love of my kitchen tour video. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. The comments are amazing. Oh my God, they're so sweet. I haven't gone through all of them yet, and I'm working my way because I went back yesterday night and read a lot of older comments on some older videos and finally got around to answering some comments because I hadn't had a chance to do that. So that's what I've been busy. Okay. Let's talk Christmas. Now I'm filming this video on December 1st, which is Tuesday, because I'm not going to have a chance to tomorrow. So I figured, let me do it today. So happy month, happy December. Hope you're having a great Wednesday wherever you are. Grab yourself a little coffee and I'm just going to share this because I have to. This magic here, this mocha, peppermint mocha from Coffee Mate, oh my word, is amazing, is amazing. It's amazing. So I just make myself a black coffee and pour a little bit of this in, and we're off to the races. That's how I like my coffee. I'm on my third coffee today, guys. Seriously. Okay, I have pre-recorded some clips, and it's a few days of clips because you know my schedule is crazy. It's all over the place, and I'm working, I'm trying to do things, I got the business, got so many things on the go. So you know, this is real life. Anyways, it is not Christmas for me until my main tree is decorated. Now I don't know how this happened, but my main tree is my dining room tree for some reason. I don't know. Most people's main tree is their living room tree. That's like my second tree, which I decorated really quick and got it up. I am rambling. I know. Grab a coffee. Let's go decorate. Okay, sweet peeps, I'm going to give you a rundown of what I'm doing here. So I started with my tree topper, and this is how I always start. Now I fluffed out my tree as much as possible. And this is a Martha Stewart tree that I got years ago at Lowe's. I paid a really pretty penny for this tree, so I don't want to part with it. Last year I had so many problems with it. The lights went out. I had to restring lights. I have about 900 lights, mini lights, strung in this tree, which I restrung this year again just to get them the way I wanted. And I still think it needs more lights, but there's a lot of effort that goes into this tree. Okay, let's talk about this bow, because this is my bow from last year, and I thought I would just use it this year and cheat and not have to make a new bow, but it's such a struggle, and it's giving me such a hard time. I don't know why. It just wouldn't sit right. I was fluffing and refluffing and trying my best to get it to look the way I wanted it. And I finally thought I had it right, but wait, you'll see, because I'm going to take it out. Anyways, I finally get my tree topper up, and I think that I have made some success and some progress. Guys, I know that you've seen so many tutorials on YouTube already on how to decorate a tree. This is just a quick version, I guess, I'm giving you on how I decorate my tree. I know that you've watched many videos already on how to put ribbon on a tree and tree toppers, and everybody has a little bit of different take on it. So I just wanted to give you my perspective on how I do my main tree, and I love this tree. This is a labor of love, truthfully. Oh, there was a little sneak peek of Miss Angela coming to tell me, because I said to her sometimes, stand back and tell me if it looks even. So here's my tips. I'm going to give you some tips as we go along. You always have to stand back and see if it looks even, if something's wonky, something's out of place. And guys, I did this over a few nights, so you'll see some outfit changes as we go along. But I finally think it looks good. Now watch what happens. I stand back, take a look, and rip off the bow. That's right, I ripped it off. I couldn't stand it anymore. I said, forget it. I'm going to make a new bow. I don't like that bow. It's not making me happy. So I start with my ribbon. Here's how I do the ribbon. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, the ribbon is from Hobby Lobby. And I do my ribbon like this on all my trees. I've done it like this year. I do two small double loops, and then a larger loop, and then another larger loop. So that's how I do it. And I have my ribbon cascading. I like it to cascade to one side and then to another side, just to give the tree dimension. Now I'm going to mention something about this ribbon. I do love the look of this ribbon. I'm not a fan of how stiff it is. If it was a little less stiff, I think it's like a taffeta feeling, the ribbon. So it's very, very stiff, and I had to really wire it. And that's my only tip I can say. Maybe buy a little bit softer ribbon if you can find it. If not, this one was really nice. I really like this gold and red, cranberry red, like it's a deep red that I'm using in the tree. What's another tip I can give you? Always use more than one ribbon. That is really a trick. Okay, here we go. This is the next day. I have made a new bow. I'm making a new tree topper, and it's 4 different bows you can see here. And I wire them with that thin wire that I always use. And I made them pretty big. So I made 4 pieces, and you'll see right here. So I want one loop to go one way, and then the other loops to go the other way. And what I'm gonna do, and you'll see here, I'm gonna hot glue them. But I'm gonna give you a tip. Whenever you're making any kind of bow, ribbon, or anything like this, keep fluffing it, keep adjusting it and moving it to where you want it, like what the final look is. That is my tip for you. That is my only tip I can give you. Just keep playing with it. So now you're gonna see here that I hot glued the one loop to the other loops. And then I'm going to hot glue this one right in the center. And I keep fluffing. That's what I keep telling you. Oh my God. Here, I'm trying to get the old glue off because this one was part of the old ribbon, and I really wanted to keep that gold part. And then here is the final one. And it's just the little loops that I made, and I glued it all together. Now I'm very happy. Okay, to attach it to my tree, I did add a, oh my God, what are those called? Just to attach it to the core of the tree. And I did add more loops, so more tails, so you'll see here. And sorry about the lighting, guys. I guess the backlit of the daylight. But I'm so happy with it now. I'm so happy how the ribbon turned out. And I'm just starting to put my ornaments on. So I'm not going to show you all the ornaments. You'll see them in detail when I show you the final of the tree. But you get the gist of it. What's my tip I can give you for ornaments? Again, try to space them out equally. Don't add 2 colors, the same color together, very close by. Kind of, make it look cohesive. Another good tip I have is to think of the tree as in fourths. So top left, bottom left, bottom right, and then space them out accordingly. Okay, now I've moved on to my picks. And what I did last year and what I'm doing again this year is doubling my picks. So I have these gold palms, And then I have these red berries, and I'm adding them together just to give it a lot of interest and dimension, because I think it looked really nice that way, and I was really happy with it, so I continued it. Okay, here comes my favorite part. These peonies. Oh my God. If you were with me last year, you know what this is all about. I bought these last year. I was so obsessed with them at Michael's. I can't find them anymore, guys. They don't have them. They don't have them anywhere. They're red burgundy almost. Very rich in color peonies. Now they have them plain, but they don't have them with the snow covered dust on them, and they are spectacular, and they really add a very, very cool vibe. So now I'm giving you a look of my tree. I didn't show this on film, the gold mesh ribbon I put on. I put this third ribbon on as a more for movement and texture. So that's what you see here. So that's the third ribbon. And you'll see giant ornaments tucked deep in my tree. I do that trick. I love that trick. You can see the picks clearly. You can see the ornaments. I just think my tree skirt is from Hobby Lobby from last year, if anybody's interested. And I just think the tree came out so beautiful this year. So I want to thank you all for spending some time with me and listening to me ramble on and on about my tree. But it is a labor of love, and you will see it really does tie into the entire room, what I've done to the entire room. Okay, my sweet peeps, it's done. She's done. I love decorating this tree, and I know it took me a few days to do, and that's why I didn't do the video all together with you guys, because I knew my schedule wouldn't accommodate for it. Now, I want to just show you something, and you see the peonies, you've seen them in the tree. There's one right here. They're very, very big, very big. I mean, it's the size of my hand. And they're very beautiful. They're from Michael's, if you're interested. I got them last year. Now, this year I looked at Michael's and I could not find them with the snow tips. I found the same color and they were plain. And a girlfriend of mine gave me the idea that I could buy the plain ones and Mod Podge the tips and just put some snow and some glitter on them and make them look like the ones last year. I went back and I didn't find them, but I did find these. These were the only ones with snowy glitter on them that I found. Now these are roses, they're not peonies, but I just wanted to show you how magnificently beautiful these are. And if you're into floral arrangements, my goodness, this would make the most beautiful, beautiful arrangement. They're $10 in Canada, so I'm sure they're a little bit cheaper in the US. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you at the end of the video. Now, at the end of the video, stay tuned for the end of the video. I have a nighttime shot of the tree. It just looks so, so beautiful. I hope you're having a great day wherever you guys are, and I hope you're having fun whatever you're doing. And it is December, so it's full on decorating. I just want to mention that I'm going to be having my Christmas home tour up quite shortly. I'm thinking maybe next week I'll have it up and ready for everybody to see. Okay, so that is it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Bye, guys. See you soon.